Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Decoholic Single 24-inch scissors lift keyboard and mouse riser, a game-changer for ergonomic sit-stand workstations. This sleek, black riser features a 23.6-inch wide and 13.4-inch deep surface, perfect for transforming any table into a standing desk, and it's also suitable for laptops. With 6 adjustable height settings, you can easily customize your workspace to fit your needs, thanks to its sturdy scissor-style structure and lifting adjustment device. The riser is incredibly easy to set up, requiring minimal installation, so you can quickly start enjoying a versatile workbench that adapts to multiple heights. Its stable base and special scissor structure ensure durability and support for your keyboard and mouse, while the wear-resistant, waterproof desktop is easy to clean. Plus, a safety lock prevents accidental movement, giving you peace of mind as you work. And don't worry, we offer friendly technical support to help with any questions or concerns you might have. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.